I want to show you something that changed how I look after my dog. And I'm a little annoyed nobody told me about this sooner. Last summer, my dog had fleas. I'd spent over 60 pounds on treatments from the vet. The spot-on drops, the spray, the collar. They worked for a bit, then the fleas came back. Every single time. So I started digging into what actually repels fleas and ticks at the source. Not kills them after the fact, but stops them ever wanting to get near your pet in the first place. And I found a recipe using 3 ingredients you probably already have. Before we make anything, let me quickly explain why these 3 ingredients actually work. Because once you understand it, you'll never need to spend a fortune again. First, cloves. They contain a natural compound called eugenol. It's one of the most powerful natural repellents known against fleas and parasites. It doesn't just mask a scent, it actively drives insects away. Second, lavender. Humans love it. Fleas and ticks absolutely cannot stand it. It's been used for centuries to keep insects away, and fleas in particular react to it very strongly. Third, apple cider vinegar. This one surprises people. It slightly acidifies your pet's skin surface, and that creates an environment parasites physically can't tolerate. Right, let's make it. This takes about 10 minutes and costs almost nothing. Start by grinding your cloves into a fine powder. You want them ground well so the eugenol oils are fully released. That's where all the power is. Pour 200 milliliters of water into a small pan, add your ground cloves, and bring it to a gentle boil. The moment it starts bubbling, add a good handful of dried lavender. You'll notice the smell immediately. It's honestly lovely. Turn the heat down and let it simmer for 5 minutes. You want the water to absorb as much of those essential oils as possible. Take it off the heat and leave it to cool completely. Rushing this step is where most people go wrong. Once it's cool, strain out all the plant matter so you're left with a clear liquid. Now add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The one with the mother in it is best. Give it a gentle stir. Pour it all into a clean spray bottle and it's ready to use. Now, and this is important, only spray it on your pet's coat, never directly on skin or near their eyes, nose, or mouth. For cats, be extra careful and do a small patch test first, as cats are more sensitive than dogs. Spray lightly over their back, neck, and legs before walks or time in the garden. 3 or 4 spritzes is all you need. Remember, just a few drops goes a long way. Keep the bottle in the fridge and use it within 2 weeks for best results. Reapply every couple of days or after bathing. I've been using this for 3 months now. No fleas, no ticks. A happy dog who smells faintly of lavender, which honestly I don't mind at all. Now look, I'm not saying never see your vet. If your pet already has a flea infestation, deal with that first. But for prevention, this is the most effective, cheapest, most natural thing I've found. Drop a comment below and let me know if you try it. And if you've got your own natural pet remedy that works, share it. I genuinely want to know. If this helped, like and subscribe. I post natural home and pet care tips every week. See you in the next one. How to kill cockroaches instantly without spending money and using poison?